Hi friends, welcome to our channel Michaya Chinta Chemistry. Today I am going to explain how to get 60 out of 60 marks in second year chemistry IPE exams. Here I have selected 30 important 4 marks questions, 45 important 2 marks questions and 10 most important 8 marks questions. Let us see the questions. Here, out of 8 questions, we answer 6 questions. They are 4 marks questions. In the 4 marks questions, from the first chapter, most important question, derive Bragg's equation. If this is not asked, other choice, explain Frenkel defect and Schottky defect with an example to each. From the solutions, 4 marks questions, what is an ideal solution? And one problem related to the molarity or mole fraction. Another question, state Raoult's law. What is meant by positive deviation from Raoult's law? A solution of sucrose in water is labeled as 20% weight by weight. What would be the mole fraction of each component in the solution? From the electrochemistry and chemical kinetics chapter, there are essay question is there, and they may also ask one 4 marks question like this. The standard EMF of Daniell cell is 1.1 V. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy for the given cell reaction. Zinc solid reacts with copper ion, gives to zinc ion, copper solid. From the surface chemistry, there are 3 important questions are there. What are different types of adsorption? Give any 4 differences between them. This question may also ask us differentiate between the chemisorption and physisorption. Another question, what is catalysis? How is catalysis classified? Give one example to each catalysis. Next one, what are colloidal solutions? How are they classified? Give examples. 10th question, what are emulsions? How are they classified? Give one example. Next, from the general principles of metallurgy, explain zone refining, giving examples to differentiate roasting and calcination. Explain the purification of sulfide ore by flotation method. This is the most important question from this chapter. Explain briefly the extraction of aluminium from bauxite. From the P block elements, we have essay question. Along with the essay question, we may ask these type of questions. How are xenon trioxide and xenon oxide tetrafluoride prepared? Give their structure. Explain the reaction of the following with water: xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride. They may ask their preparation methods and reaction with water. Another chapter, important question, D and F block elements and coordination compounds. From this chapter, most important question and always present in the question paper. Explain Werner theory of coordination compounds with suitable examples. And another important question from this chapter also, using IUPAC norms, write the systematic name for the following compounds. They may also ask different type of compounds or coordination compounds. From the polymers, what is vulcanization of rubber? Explain its purpose. Explain copolymerization with an example. From the biomolecules chapter, the most important question always present in the question from this chapter. What are hormones? Give an example for each. 1. Steroid hormones, polypeptide hormones, and amino acid derivatives. The most important question from the biomolecules is write note on vitamins. Especially they are focusing on A, D, E and K vitamin, their available sources and deficiency diseases. 23rd question. Write the structure of maltose and lactose. What are the products of hydrolysis of maltose and lactose? Next, chemistry in everyday life. From this chapter, we are getting what are analgesics, how they are classified. Give examples. Another question. Write notes on antiseptics and disinfectants. Commonly asking question is this. Another one. Write notes on antioxidants in food and food preservatives. From the haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter, what is the stereochemical result of SN1 and SN2 reaction? Or this question may also ask, write the differences between SN1 and SN2 with the stereochemical aspects. Another questions from organic compounds, that is 12th and 13th chapters. 28th question. Define the following: enantiomers and racemic mixture. We should write the definitions for these two terms. 29th question. Explain Wurtz reaction, Fittig reaction with one example each. In this way, they may ask any two named reactions for 4 marks question. Another question that is important from the organic compounds only. 30th question. They may ask the bases with the derivatives of amines. They may ask as increasing order or decreasing order of the basic nature. And also they may ask in this question, such type of question, increasing, decreasing order of carboxylic acid derivatives. From the 8 marks, we have selected 10 important questions. These questions are from first question appear from the 3rd chapter, that is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. In these 3 different questions may ask. First one, what is molecularity of a reaction? How is it different from the order of a reaction? Name one bimolecular and one trimolecular gaseous reaction. In this only, second bit, state and explain Kohlrausch law of independent migration of ions. In this way, in 8 marks question, 4 marks bits, 2 bits may ask. Second question, give a detailed account of collision theory of reaction rates of a bimolecular reaction. This question appears in so many times for 8 marks itself. Another important one, third question, what are galvanic cells? Explain the working of a galvanic cell with a neat sketch taking Daniell cell as example. In that, B, give the construction and working of a standard hydrogen electrode with a neat diagram. From the P block elements, we are getting second question in this or selected question, fourth one. How is chlorine prepared by Naken's process? Or how is chlorine prepared by laboratory method? Anyone may appear. And after that, explain its reaction with hot concentrated NaOH, H2S, Fe, I2, Na2S2O3 and cold dilute NaOH may also ask. Most important question from this chapter, another one. How is ozone prepared from oxygen? Explain its reaction with ethene, potassium iodide, mercury and lead sulfide. Next one, sixth question from the P block elements only. How is nitric acid manufactured by Ostwald process? How does it react with copper, zinc, sulfur, phosphorus? From these three important questions, anyone may come in our exam. One more most important question from this P block elements only. How is ammonia manufactured by Haber's process? Explain the reactions of ammonia with zinc sulfate, copper sulfate and silver chloride. Along with these four questions, another is also there. We may give it is in the chance. How the sulfuric acid prepared by the contact process. So we may leave that question in the choice. From the organic chemistry, we are getting third question in the essay type. In that, they may ask like this. First 4 marks bit from the alcohols and phenols. 8th A question. Explain the acidic nature of phenols and compare it with that of alcohols. From the B section, B part, they may ask to name reactions. Explain Cannizzaro reaction, decarboxylation reaction. In the third question, we may get 4 name reactions only. For that purpose, we prepared 2 questions. Along with the 2 questions, some important name reactions also given here. 9th question. With a suitable example, write equations for the following: Kolbe's reaction, Riemer-Tiemann reaction, Williamson synthesis, Cannizzaro reaction. Another question, same in this way. Explain the following reaction with one example to each: esterification, Cross-Aldol reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, HVZ reaction. Along with these name reactions, I also suggest some more questions, some more name reactions: Sandmeyer reaction, Gutterman reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Fittig reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction, finally Aldol reaction. Here 15 name reactions I suggesting to get third question 4 name reactions. From these 15 name reactions, we may get any 4 as a third question. Along with the 4 marks and 8 marks questions, I also picked up 45 important 2 marks questions. To get 60 out of 60 marks, we may concentrate 2 marks questions by the giving first preferences. In that, from the solutions topic, what is abelioscopic constant, what are isotonic solutions, state Henry's law, define osmotic pressure, what is ppm, parts per million. From the electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, Define order of reaction. Give two examples for zero order reactions. What are galvanic cells or a voltaic cell? Give an example. State Faraday's second law of electrolysis. What are pseudo first order reactions? Give an example. From the general principles of metallurgy, some important 2 marks questions I picked up. What is the role of depressant in the froth flotation? How is cast iron different from pig iron? What is the role of cryolite in the metallurgy of aluminium? Explain the terms gangue and slag. What is blister copper? Why is it so called? What is flux? Give an example. From P block elements, nitrogen molecule is highly stable. Why? What is inert pair effect? Why is water is a liquid while H2S is a gas? Hydrogen sulfide is a gas. Most important 2 marks question from the P block only. What is tailing of mercury? How is it removed? How is chlorine manufactured by Deacon's method? What are interhalogen compounds? Give two examples. Explain the structure of xenon trioxide. These are the important questions from P block elements chapters. From the D and F block elements and coordination compounds, we have the following important 2 marks questions. 24th question. What is lanthanide contraction? What are the consequences of lanthanide contraction? What are complex compounds? Give examples. 26th one. How do transition metals exhibit catalytic activity? 27th one. What is an alloy? Give example. 28th question. What is a chelate ligand? Give example. 29th question. What is an ambidentate ligand? Give example. From the polymers, most important question is what is PHBV? How it useful to man? Next, what is Ziegler-Natta catalyst? 32nd question. What are copolymers? Give example. From the biomolecules, what are anomers? What is zwitterion? Give an example. What are reducing sugars? What are essential amino acids? Give an example. What are enantiomers? Write equation for carbylamine reaction. Differentiate between globular fibrous proteins. Globular and fibrous proteins. What are anti-fertility drugs? Give examples. These are the most important questions from the biomolecules. Along with these questions, we may also get from the first chapter solid state. They are what are epicenters, what is a semiconductor, what makes a glass different from quartz, what is Schottky defect, what is Frenkel defect. Along with these 45, some other questions also may practice. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share, comment for suggestions. Subscribe our channel for more videos related to chemistry, practicals as well as the theory. Thank you friends. I will come with another important video.